Y'all come on into Miss Dana's kitchen. Hey y'all, we have another wonderful side dish for you for Thanksgiving. And this recipe I feel very honored to have because Miss Molly Stagg is from Central Louisiana, from Pineville, like I am. And whenever I was growing up, she was the caterer for the region. She and her husband Lee had a restaurant. And so anyway, I called her and she's in her 90s now. And I called her and we talked like for 2 hours about food, but she shared this recipe with me. So I'm really grateful. I feel very honored. So it is called Carrots with Rum. And what I did last night was I boiled these carrots. And this is a pound of baby carrots. Now these are the little organic carrots in the bag. You can use frozen if you want. But I didn't cook them till they were really mushy, just until they were kind of soft. Just a little bit, kind of like fork tender. You see how you can put your fork in?
I'm glad you said that because I didn't even know what parboil was.
Yeah. You don't cook them to death. You know, we used to cook things to death, but you don't have to do that with these. So I drained them, obviously. I'm gonna put them back in the pot. I'm gonna put over them a half a cup of melted butter. And this is simple syrup. So it's not the normal simple syrup though, because usually you just heat up equal amounts of water and sugar enough that the sugar melts. But this is simple syrup that I heated till the sugar melted and then cooked it down to half its regular portion. So it's very thick. So I'm gonna pour about a cup of this. I'm telling y'all, these are so good and they're so simple. That's what I love about them. And then you put 1/4 of a cup of rum. Now Miss Molly's a teetotaler, so she said, don't worry about this. It cooks out so you can feed it to the children. Or you can add, hey Nico, or you can just add 2 teaspoons of rum flavoring.
What's the fun in that?
I know, no fun in that. And you can buy those little bitty bottles of rum at the liquor store. A little bit of salt. I'm gonna bring it over to my stovetop and just cook it down until the alcohol doesn't have that alcohol taste. And that's it, y'all. Can you believe it?
So how long does that take?
Oh, it just takes about 10 minutes. I mean, just really until it's heated well and
On medium maybe?
Yeah, on medium. It needs to simmer, because it needs to kind of boil out a little bit. Or you can light it on fire. and then you can do what I usually do on the holidays, is light it on fire. But here it is, y'all. Look at this. Buttered, sweet carrots. Carrots with rum. Thank you, Miss Molly Stagg. I really appreciate you sharing this amazing recipe with me. Bon appetit, y'all.
How would you like to become a VIP member of Miss Dana's Kitchen? Miss Dana is now on Patreon. By joining Miss Dana's Kitchen on Patreon, you will get early access to videos, a special tips and tricks video, Miss Dana's Kitchen merchandise, emails delivered directly to your inbox, and much more. There are several membership tiers to choose from, starting at just $5 a month. Miss Dana would love to connect with you. Visit patreon.com/Miss Dana's Kitchen for more information.